Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set out of office in IONOS Webmail. Now the first thing I want you to do is come at the top right. Okay, once you're logged into your IONOS Webmail dashboard, click on this gear cog at the top right to access settings. Now I want you to scroll down until you see vacation notice. Okay, I want you to click on this, and then right here the first thing I want you to do is actually toggle this on. A lot of people make the mistake of not even toggling this on. So toggle this one on first, and then you have your subject, let's say out of office, and a message. So I'll use this one right here that I normally use. So use your own email address to forward it to, right? The other person that they will be contacting. Choose the email to send it from. So have this one, and make sure you apply the changes, okay? And I'll test it out. I'll show you an example. So as you can see, your vacation notice is active. I'll send myself a test mail and I'll show you. Okay, in just a moment. All right, there we go. We're sending this over and let's wait for the response. All right, this one has just come in. As you can see right here, it does absolutely work. So that is how to set out of office in IONOS Webmail.